To endow Professor of Humanics is very timely and very visionary, especially at a time that technology development, STEM, and economics seemingly are the only focus in town, as if we have forgotten the importance of a study of human nature and human affairs.
Hong Kong Baptist University is the first tertiary institution in Hong Kong that advocates and implements whole person education, and is now a leading provider of whole person education in the whole region. With a commitment to nurturing students to become responsible global citizens, the university's vision is true to the idea of humanities, helping students think out of the box, analyzing problems critically, and respect differences.
Professor Erni has published in the areas of international and Asia-based media and cultural studies, human rights philosophy and politics, gender studies, youth popular culture studies, and critical public health studies. In the past decade, one of his primary studies falls on ethnic minorities in Hong Kong, due in part to his multicultural upbringing.
Whole person education meaning the search for the delicate balance between the intellect, passion, and the human spirit. I think that idea is a glorious idea that would never go out of time, would never be outdated. I have an idea that this open horizon moves with and is moved by strangers. However, most of us are creatures who move with and are moved by the familiar. In fact, I would go so far as to say that we are but registers of the outsider, the foreigner, the refugee, the exile. The more we read our own narratives, the more difficult it is to ascertain with any certainty where myself ends and the others begin.